So let me share with you a way to use prompts to actually reinforce your arguments, clarify your thinking on AI. Here's a prompt from today that I used on an AI platform called Perplexity. So here's the prompt. Please do an essay. Title: The visible is the projection of the invisible. Matter is energy. Energy is information. Information is fluctuating data. Fluctuating data is coded as zeros and ones. The physical world of objects, animals, people, trees, rocks, and stars is the manifest appearance of a digital code of zeros and ones. And the universe manifests from a digital infinite workshop outside of space and time. The formula of reality is Deepak Chopra's 0 is equal to 1 is equal to infinity. Okay, so that was the prompt in details. Now, as Perplexity begins to answer, it first does research. So it says research the philosophical implications of the statement, the visible is the projection of the invisible. Look into the concept of matter and energy being interchangeable. Investigate the idea that energy is information. Explore the relationship between fluctuating data and binary coding, 0 and 1. Examine the perception of the physical world as a manifestation of digital codes. Look into Deepak Chopra's formula of reality and its interpretation. Synthesize the researched information into an essay format. So that was all the research that went into the answer based on my prompts. Now, here's the answer. The concept that the visible is the projection of the invisible is a philosophical idea that suggests the physical world we perceive as a manifestation of deeper unseen realities. This notion aligns with the philosophy of Maurice Merleau-Ponty, who explored the relationship between perception and reality, emphasizing that what we see is intertwined with invisible structures and meanings. This idea is further expanded by Deepak Chopra's metaphysical views, which propose that the universe is a manifestation of an underlying digital code, a concept that blends philosophical inquiry with modern technological metaphors. First paragraph, matter, energy, and information. The statement, matter is energy, is rooted in the principles of physics, specifically Einstein's theory of relativity, which posits that matter and energy are interchangeable through the equation E is equal to mc squared. This equation demonstrates that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa, highlighting the fundamental unity of matter and energy. The idea that energy is information suggests a deeper connection between physical processes and informational structures. In physics, energy can be seen as a relationship between different informational states or regimes, indicating that information is a fundamental component of physical reality. This aligns with the concept that the universe operates as a vast informational system where energy and information are intertwined. Next paragraph. Information as fluctuating data. The notion that information is fluctuating data reflects the dynamic nature of information in the digital age. In computing, information is often represented as binary data consisting of zeros and ones, which can encode complex instructions and data structures. This binary coding forms the basis of digital technology, enabling computers to process and store vast amounts of information efficiently. The digital code of reality. Next paragraph. The idea that the physical world is the manifest appearance of a digital code of zeros and ones suggests a universe that functions like a vast computational system. This perspective is reminiscent of theories that liken the universe to a virtual reality, which is always something I believed in, or a digital simulation where physical phenomena arise from underlying informational processes. Next paragraph, the infinite workshop. Chopra's metaphor of the universe as a digital infinite workshop outside of space and time implies a creative source beyond conventional physical understanding. This aligns with metaphysical views that propose the universe emerges from a realm of infinite possibilities where zero and infinity play crucial roles as conceptual boundaries. Conceptual boundaries, 0, 1, but infinity. The formula of reality. Deepak Chopra's formula, 0 is equal to 1 is equal to infinity, encapsulates a non-dualistic view of reality, suggesting that nothingness, 0, unity, 1, and boundlessness, infinity, are interconnected aspects of existence. This formula challenges conventional notions of separateness and highlights the potential for infinite possibilities within the structure of reality. In summary, these ideas collectively explore the intersection of philosophy, physics, and metaphysics, proposing a universe where the visible and invisible, matter and energy, and information and reality are deeply interconnected. This perspective invites us to reconsider the nature of reality as a complex interplay of physical and informational elements guided by principles that transcend traditional scientific understanding. And then it says, if you want to look up related ideas, how does the concept of fluctuating data relate to quantum mechanics? Can the idea of a digital universe be supported by scientific evidence? What are the philosophical implications of matter being energy? How does the concept of information as fluctuating data influence our understanding of reality? There you are. This is how you use AI to elevate spiritual intelligence, and in this case, scientific intelligence, both. And this is how you will learn, if you read this book, how to use prompts in a way that you can maximize your spiritual intelligence and personal well-being. In addition, you can continue this conversation with me by going to my digital twin, and that is digitaldeepak.ai. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful, joyful, energetic, creative day. Dancing with the stars. I would go beyond that, dancing with the universe.